Welcome to Sustaining Your Systems. I'm Alex Kudinoff, and this deep dive is about making organization last. Because creating a system is easy, maintaining it is the challenge. Energy-aligned maintenance means organizing when your brain is capable, not when things are messy. Most people organize when they're frustrated and overwhelmed, exactly when their executive function is lowest. Instead, schedule maintenance when you have energy. Friday afternoon, good energy, perfect time for weekly review. Monday morning focused, that's when you redesign systems that aren't working. One of my clients has Organization Wednesdays at 2 p.m., not because things are messy then, but because her brain has the right energy then. Iteration. Over-perfection means accepting that your first system won't be your final system. And that's good. Your system should evolve with your work and life. Every month, ask, what's working? What's not? What small adjustment would help? Then make one small change, not an overhaul, just one tweak. A marketing director started with complex color coding. Over 6 months, it evolved to simple yes-no folders. Each iteration got simpler and more sustainable. The evolution was the success, not the original system. Minimum viable organization is your safety net. When everything falls apart, and it will sometimes, what's the absolute minimum that keeps you functional? For most ADHD executives, it's 3 things. 1 capture point so nothing gets lost, 3 active project spaces so current work stays visible, and a daily 5-minute reset where you just move things back to their zones. This isn't your ideal system, it's your floor, the least you can do and still function. Knowing your minimum removes the all-or-nothing pressure. Cognitive offloading means using your environment to handle executive functions. Your ADHD brain has limited executive function, so don't waste it on remembering where things go. Labels everywhere. Inside drawers, on shelves, on folders, timers for everything. Organizing time, transition time, break time. Physical cues, put your workout clothes on your chair to remember to exercise. Your environment becomes your external brain. One executive said, "My office basically runs my day for me now. I just follow the cues I've set up." The key to sustaining systems isn't willpower. It's designing systems that require minimal executive function to maintain.